From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
All right, well, some big changes on the way this weekend weather-wise for Acadiana. I got up into the lower 80s this afternoon, but hard to believe we are going to struggle just to get to 60 degrees through the course of the weekend. Definitely turning the page to winter, and really it's going to stick around not only through the course of the weekend, but for much of that 7 to 10 day forecast. So we'll take a look at it in just a second. But first, let's start off, get an idea of where the front is currently, and it is continuing to march southward toward Acadiana. You can really see the contrast in temperatures here. Locally, we are in the 70s, and really much of the Gulf Coast as well. Behind it, they are in the 40s and 30s. 45 already in Dallas. It's 38 in Oklahoma City. And this front's going to have a Canadian air mass associated with it. So once it pushes through overnight tonight, definitely going to be chilly through the course of the weekend. Now, the front also producing showers and storms off to our west, mainly currently across eastern Texas. Some of that starting to move into the northern parts of the state. Even have a severe thunderstorm warning ongoing here for this complex of storms now entering Vernon Parish. And the primary concern would be strong gusty winds, maybe some hail associated with these storms. But again, most of Acadiana relatively quiet. Most of us will stay dry through the course of this evening. We will be mild. Only exception, some of these showers and or thunderstorms could sneak into western and northern portions of the area over the next couple of hours. So we'll be on the lookout for that. But really, best rain chances are going to come once this front pushes through after midnight tonight. Again, scattered showers, some rumbles of thunder as we head into the wee morning hours of our Saturday. Doesn't look like we're going to pick up a whole lot of rainfall. I think most of us probably pick it up less than a half an inch. And then by daybreak tomorrow morning, the bulk of the shower activity is out of here, and it's going to be noticeably cooler and breezier. We're going to start out in the lower 50s, but you factor in a brisk northerly wind, it's going to feel like the 40s. Kind of a dreary start to the day. A lot of cloud cover through the course of the morning, but that'll give way to some sunshine into the afternoon. Despite that sunshine, temperatures struggle to get out of the 50s. May briefly hit 60 for an afternoon high temperature, but regardless, winds are going to stay breezy out of the north at around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Now, those winds relax tomorrow night, and with mostly clear skies in place, temperatures are going to be able to drop into the 30s. It's going to be downright cold starting out Sunday morning, mid to upper 30s, and then mostly sunny into Sunday afternoon. So nice into the weekend. Temperatures stay cool, upper 50s to near 60 degrees. And with winds lighter on Sunday, that's going to give that 60 degree a much more better feel to it for sure. So here's our wind chills tomorrow morning. Again, actual air temperatures in the lower 50s for most of us, but again, it's going to be feeling more like the 40s. And then although we may briefly hit 60 tomorrow afternoon with that northerly wind in place, it's going to feel like the 50s for the better part of the afternoon. Meanwhile, tomorrow night, this is when it gets downright cold. We're going to favor mid-30s northern portions of Acadiana. Motto's maybe a little bit aggressive here, may get close to freezing as you get up towards Alexandria and the center parts of the state. But we should stay above that for most of Acadiana, mid to upper 30s first thing Sunday morning here along the I-10 corridor, and then upper 30s near 40 degrees along across the coastal parishes. So we'll keep an eye on that over the next 24 hours. Otherwise, in the short term, mild this evening. Again, I think most of us stay dry, but still some showers possible to the west and off to the north, but definitely a pretty good chance of showers and some rumbles of thunder after midnight tonight. But all of that pushes out by daybreak tomorrow morning, and the clouds will start to thin. Should get back to mostly sunny skies into our Saturday afternoon. Noticeably cooler for sure. Again, upper 50s to near 60 degrees. Winds will be quite breezy out of the north at around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Near 60 Sunday afternoon, mostly sunny skies. Again, a lighter wind out there, so that'll be some good news, but that's going to be after a morning start in the 30s. And then we're going to have a quick moving system pushing through on Monday. That's going to give us some pretty good rain chances. Looks like Monday evening going into Monday night. Should get a pretty decent soaking with this system. 1 to 3 inches of rainfall possible. And then we dry out early on Tuesday. But thereafter, we are going to stay quite cool to chilly. Afternoon high temperatures remaining below normal in the 50s and 60s. Overnight lows in the 30s and 40s. So hopefully we soaked in the 70s and 80s over the past couple of days, because they are gone at least through the next 10.
I At least the next 10?
At least the next, we'll say 7 to 10, but yeah, it's looking more confident than that.
All righty.
So.
Thank you, Bradley.